A baby hippopotamus worth thousands of dollars will come it back. Neither do I. You try to be nice for the kids, the pleasure, the pie. You can give them just
Bye-bye.